Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing a popular bag, the It Girl bag. This bag is hard to get your hands onto. Are you ready for this? We are reviewing my very first Chanel bag. We are reviewing the only Chanel 25. Can't believe I'm saying this. I'm so excited. I've wanted this bag for a long time. It has been hard to get. So when my SA texted me that he had one that he thought that I would like, I was over the moon. I am so excited. So let's go ahead and bring this beauty out. Are you ready, guys? Drum roll, please. Look at her. Isn't she so beautiful? Since I have you guys here, if you love fashion reviews and you love handbag reviews, I love handbags. I do a ton of handbag reviews. Please go ahead and like this video for a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if I sound like I am out of breath, I am 36 weeks pregnant, so excuse my shortness of breath. So I have been wanting this bag for a long time, and like I said, when my SA texted me about the color that I had been looking for, I was so excited. This is the Chanel 25 and it's their 2026 cruise collection. So it just came out and it is in this brown mocha color. I have been looking for a brown bag to use as an everyday bag. Like I said, I am expecting, so this would be a good everyday mom bag slash a diaper bag. And if you've been watching my videos, the first thing I like to do is talk about the price. The listing price for this Chanel 25 in the size medium is $6,700 US. After tax, it comes out to be about $7,250. So yes, this is a pricey bag. This is a bag that's hard to get, but she is worth it. Once you start buying the Chanels, you just can't stop. You know what I'm saying? So I am so excited. This is, like I said, in the medium. It's in the caviar leather, calfskin leather. And let's show you some of the detail. And it has a leather strap right here at the top for your shoulder protection. The closure is this CC device. You just, this brass CC right here, you just push it and you're able to adjust the bag and close it to keep it tight. And then, like I said, the inside you can hold a pretty good amount, and I'll give you an up close and personal look of the leather at the end of the video like I always do. And I've had this bag for a few weeks, so I've gotten some good use out of it. And it also comes with a detachable wallet, which is really nice. It's the least they can do, right, when you're spending that kind of money. So it's nice because I'm always worried about if my lip gloss spills inside of a bag or something like that. Well, I can put my lip gloss in here. See, I have $1. And then this is a lip gloss, Too Faced lip injection lip gloss that I have in there right now. And like I said, this is detachable, so that's nice. You can put your wallet in there. And then it has two side pockets on the side, so you can put your keys in there, phone right here. This is inside of the bag, it has two side pockets inside. And then it has another small pocket on the inside. It's really small. You could just put like a card. I don't know what you would put in there, but it's the Chanel logo or just Chanel word. You could put long card in there. And then, like I said, the closure, you can make this slouchy or as tight as you want. You just press on the C and you pull it, and then it makes it like that, more slouchy. And then it has pockets on the side as well. And these are magnetic, and you can easily put your phone in there. I have the 16 Pro Max and it fits in there. If you have the regular size iPhone, it fits even better, but you could put your phone in here, wallet, you can lip gloss, you can put a lot of things in here. Like I said, magnetic closure. This other side too, same thing. I don't have anything in here right now. but I love her. So that is the price and some of the detail of the bag. And like I said, it had the brass hardware engraved with the leather for the strap right here. Sizing, like I said, this is the Chanel 25 medium. This was the perfect size for me. This is the size that I was looking for, especially expecting and becoming a mom. This is the size that I was really looking for. I can fit diapers in there, just junk in there, lip gloss, stuff that I need. And the medium comes with this leather strap for the shoulder, like I call it a shoulder protector. So if the more stuff I put in here, the heavier it gets and it can be more comfortable. The small and mini don't have that leather strap, but this is a good size for me. And you could even put an iPad in here. You might even be able to put a laptop in here, but definitely an iPad. This is a pretty good size. It fits a lot. It can fit a good amount. So it's the perfect mom bag. There's a million ways you could style this bag. Personally, I needed a brown bag, so I was waiting for this color, but you could wear this bag year round. You can wear it with anything. Obviously, I probably wouldn't wear it with black, but neutral colors. I'm wearing navy right now and I could definitely style this bag with it. But this is just a great everyday bag. I highly recommend this bag. She is my new best friend. And my experience with getting this bag overall was pretty positive. I do have a Chanel sales associate, so I told him what I was looking for and he knew that I was a serious buyer, so he was able to keep me somewhat in the loop, and then I was able to get my hands on this bag. So you just have to have patience and have good intentions and just communicate with your sales associate. But those are my tips and tricks for securing this beauty. Now let me show you how it looks. You can pretty much only wear this as a shoulder bag, which is fine because it's comfortable and it kind of slouches on your shoulder. It looks super cute. I'm gonna give you a live demo right now. Sure to like and subscribe and stick around for my next handbag review that I do. But that's all. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.